Hello, Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. Selamat pagi. Okay, welcome back to English class with Mr. Fizri. And today is Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y Monday. Isnin, 27th of September 2021. Alright. So today we will learn about stationaries or in bahasa Melayu alat tulis. Okay, alat tulis. Okay, alat tulis ni yang peralatan yang kita guna di dalam kelas. Okay, alright. So number one, okay, let's spell this together. Okay, kita eja sama-sama. B O O K, book. B O O K, book. Buku. Book, buku. Okay, number two. P E N, pen. P E N, pen. Okay, pen in bahasa Melayu also pen, sama Okay, English pen, bahasa Melayu pun pen. Okay, number three. R-U-L-E-R, ruler. R-U-L-E-R, ruler, pembaris. Okay, ruler ni kita guna untuk buat garisan yang lurus. Okay, to make a line. Okay, now number four. R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber. R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber. Okay, pemadam. Or nama lain dia kita boleh panggil eraser. E-R-A-S-E-R, eraser, rubber, eraser. Okay, dua-dua ni perkataan bahasa Inggeris. Dua-dua pun boleh digunakan. Okay, the meaning is pemadam. Okay, pemadam. Nak panggil rubber pun boleh, eraser pun boleh, no problem. Okay, number five. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. Okay, nama panjang dia backpack. B-A-G, bag. P-A-C-K, pack, backpack. Okay, both are correct. Dua-dua pun betul. Okay, nama pendek bag, nama panjang backpack. Alright, lastly number six. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Pencil. Okay, pencil is English, bahasa Melayu pensil. Okay, English pencil. Alright, so I want you to answer questions in your module, page 6. Okay, page 6. Write the correct word. Okay, tuliskan perkataan yang betul. So you have to look at the picture. Okay, kena tengok gambar and then write the answer. Alright, so number one, this is a. Okay, ni gambar apa? Okay, number two, I have a red. Okay, what is this? Number three, my sisters is blue. My sisters is blue. Alright, what is this? Okay, number four, this is my. Okay, what is this? Untuk memadamkan pensel ni, apa nama dia? Okay, lastly number five, please pass me the. Okay, what is this? Please pass me the. Okay, what is this? Okay, very easy, sangat senang. If you don't remember, you can watch this video again. Okay, jawapan dah ada dalam ni. So you have to write properly. Tulis elok-elok dan cantik-cantik. Alright, that's all for today. So please remember to fill in the attendance. Okay, sila isikan kehadiran. Klik link yang diberikan di dalam grup. Sekali sahaja. Sehari cuma isi sekali sahaja. Alright, so that's all for today. I hope you can do my homework and see you again. Goodbye.